Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and
Good morning. I am headed to the farmer's market this morning. Go there, go to Trader Joe's, and possibly somewhere else yet. Aldi, not really sure. Gonna make a couple stops, and it's back to school for us this coming week. So I need to kind of stock up. The boys are always complaining that there's just no food in the house, you know how it goes. So I thought I would kind of show you what I'm getting, and then also include some prep and maybe some recipes, cooking, that sort of thing. So hopefully if you like that type of thing, you will stick around. Next stop is Trader Joe's, and I was determined to get out early this morning because Saturdays are just not fun to be grocery shopping. Last Saturday I made the mistake of going in the afternoon, and I was like, I am not gonna do that again today. So it's not even 9 o'clock yet, and I'm at my second stop. So this is looking pretty good. Trader Joe's looks pretty empty. That's where I'm stopping at next. Next stop is Aldi. Alright, I'm done. It's 10:05. And I feel like I've spent enough money now, and I'm hoping it'll last for a while. A growing family definitely includes a growing food bill for sure, but I tried to do my best in getting some good prices where I could, and then also a few treats for the kids. To the lady who stopped me as I was putting stuff in my bags, thank you for saying hi. I appreciated that very much. I always enjoy when people say hi to me and introduce themselves. It's just fun. Okay, this is what I got at the farmer's market. Just some fresh vegetables and peaches. So cilantro, Brussels sprouts, green beans, sweet potatoes, and a carrot. And here is the stuff I got from Trader Joe's. I definitely got more than I expected, but I feel like I got a good haul there. So we like this yogurt. I got 1 meal's worth of steak. So I had to splurge just a little bit. And I grabbed some mozzarella, and this is more of the yogurt in the tubes. And then the mandarin orange chicken I like to pair with the chicken fried rice. It's a really simple meal. I think I'm gonna do it maybe tomorrow for lunch after church. Does not take long to do, and it's good. Then I got some crackers, pancake mix, some cereal. Nick requested homemade fried ice cream, so I needed cornflakes for that.
Can I have a nana?
A nana? Sure. Okay. Hopefully they're a little green. You sure you want to try them?
Yes.
They might be a little green. Okay. And then I got some of this tiki masala curry sauce. Some cream cheese. I have not had these in a long time, and Aldi doesn't carry their Dunkers anymore, sadly, so these are like second best. I also got these butter waffle cookies. I thought these would be really good in ice cream. Some tartar sauce, more maple syrup, a couple different types of pasta, some black beans and garbanzo beans, some zucchini for zucchini bread, also some apples, and then these little snacks for Harper. I got some sugar, also some of their white cheddar corn puffs. These make great church snacks, and then bananas. This is the Aldi haul here. I'll go through it pretty quickly. I really definitely needed to stock up on quite a lot of things. So got some dairy stuff, butter, half and half. I use this a lot for my coffee, and eggs, some bread, some different chocolate chips, potatoes. The boys requested these, so I decided to get them a few for their lunches. And some brown sugar, some paper products, cheese, a little mint, some feta cheese and Parmesan, sweetened condensed milk for some bars, some more butter. That was on sale this week. Some graham crackers. The girls go through these very fast. Got some corn dogs. These were on sale. Wahlburgers, bacon. And then I got some ham and chicken breast, lunch meat. Also some string cheese, some Arnold Palmer. Nick and the boys especially love these. Jackson likes shredded wheat. I got some chips for lunches, and then 2 boxes of the strawberry fruit bars. And the kids are currently out in the pool. Can't see them at the moment, but that's where all the noise is coming from if you hear it. I got a bunch of strawberries because they were on sale, and we love these cotton candy grapes. If you guys have never tried them, try them. And then I got blackberries also on sale, blueberries, some naan, and then a bit of meat. So I got a half butt pork roast, some hot dogs, bacon wrapped pork tenderloin, a chuck roast, and then I got some Texas toast. I like to pair that with some pasta type dishes, some pudding, some caramel sauce, some bread, and then some of this fast rising yeast if I want to make pizza or something really quickly. And I grabbed some of these silicone straws, and then this little spinny turntable organizer. Also some watermelon and milk, and then some drumsticks. That, I think, is everything. Let's just say it was a couple $100 for sure. But yeah, hopefully this will get me stocked up again. I did get quite a bit of meat, and that always adds up really quickly, but I like to have some stuff in my freezer. That way I'm not constantly running out to get meat. I definitely need to do some prep, see what all happens, but yeah, that is my haul. I need to get it put away now. I was opening these for Oakland, and they're not the fruit roll-ups like I thought. Jack, I sure thought these were fruit roll-ups. Would you have thought these are fruit roll-ups?
No.
Well, I did. They're fruit snacks.
Yeah, there's fruit roll-ups and fruit crackers.
I tried.
Wait, let me see what time it is.
Who am I that the maker of heaven wouldn't love me and know me by name? In a world where I feel like a stranger, his love came and found me the same. In each breath that I breathe, when I wake or I sleep, everything I need is found in you. All in you, everything I need is found in you, found in you, Jesus. What is love that the God of the heavens would stoop down to love me with grace? In the midst of my pride and rebellion, his love wouldn't give up the chase. In each breath that I breathe, when I wake or I sleep, everything.
So, before I load up the freezer with more stuff, I need to defrost it. It shouldn't take too long, so I'm just gonna put some of the stuff in that freezer up there and plug it back in. Jackson's helping me.
That I need is made in you, complete.
We have some spikety-doo hair going on here. Alright, here's the freezer. Shouldn't take too long. It's so hot out today.
Libby or a lighter. You should put some sugar in it. Okay, Mom. Gotta all mix up like that, Mom.
Hang on.
Should I hold the bowl, Mom? Really?
Yeah.
Mom, here. You stir it up. Hello?
Good job.
I like it.
Keep stirring it. Chrissy cheese. So we're making zucchini bread. It's actually my sister-in-law Kate's recipe, and I'm guessing it's probably Nick's mom's recipe, if I know that correctly. So we're gonna put some in the oven. I'm not sure how much this is gonna make. Maybe two loaf pans or something. We'll see. I think I'm gonna call that a wrap for today at least. Do you ever have those days that were like, my feet hurt, my back hurt, my shoulders hurt, like just everything. So I knew that if I sit down for too long, I was not gonna want to get back up. So I kept plugging away. I sat down for a little sandwich, and we got zucchini bread baked. I baked some bars, and Nick and I made some dessert, ice cream dessert for later tonight. And then I obviously put all the groceries away and everything, so it's like a little after 3:30 at the moment. So I'm gonna relax for a little bit. Oh, and the new handy dandy ice machine that you may have seen a little bit ago. It's like a pebble ice maker. We are literally always out of ice in our house. I don't know why they make fridges so expensive, but there's just not enough ice. You would think the containers would be big enough to supply, but no, usually like even halfway through the day, we're already kind of running low on ice, especially if we like all fill up water bottles and stuff like that. So Jevi, I think it's called, sent me this ice machine. And so far, it's the second day and we're loving it. We haven't run out of ice yet, which is really awesome, and somehow it just makes drinks more fun. I will leave my link in the description box. I think there is a discount code that I have that you can use. I would put that there if you're looking for one, if you're wanting a splurge, or maybe thinking for like a Christmas gift or birthday gift. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. So I forgot to record it on Saturday, but here is the freezer defrosted. It did not take long because it wasn't very bad, but also just how hot it was, it just really did not take long at all. So it was not hard. Just put it out at the edge of your garage to keep all the water away from cords and everything. And in the summer, it's quite easy. So this is what the freezer's looking like. It's not like fully stocked or anything, but I have at least a little bit of a variety of things. So I'm happy about that. I was doing some prep the other week for school. These are peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, prepped and ready. They're frozen, sort of like Uncrustables, I guess. Just they're not actually in the shapes, but I'll link a cutter if you want to make your own Uncrustables. And then here are banana bread muffins, ready to go for easy breakfast. And here's the other loaf of zucchini bread that I just put in the freezer. It was actually really, really good. It's so moist. The zucchini makes it really moist. So yeah, happy that's done. That should last a little while. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to call it a wrap for today. I actually wasn't really sure I would end it when I was filming it, but I have so much footage that I was like, you know what? This makes a whole video, so hopefully it was motivating and encouraging in some way. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you all next time. Bye.